Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the refueling function in the Magica application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the button at the bottom of the page on the right. Then click on the tracking supplies and recharges button. And here the first option will be the refueling function, which automatically recognizes when you stop for refueling and it proposes it to you. So just click on the white circle and it is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.